In this lesson, we will be learning our next song called The Jug of Punch. This song begins with the chord D, and the strumming pattern for this song is strum 1, which is down, down, up. Let's play the chords of the verse slowly together, and I'll call out the chords as we play along. So the verse begins with the chord D, and we will be starting after 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, D, 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 A, 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 D, 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 E minor, E minor, E minor, A, 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 D, D. Now, let's play the chords of the chorus slowly together, and I'll call out the notes as we play along. So the chorus begins with the chord D, and we will be starting after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 ra D, 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 E minor, E minor, E minor, A, 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 D, 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 E minor, E minor, E minor, A, 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 D, D. This time, we will sing the song a little quicker together, and we will be starting after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One pleasant evening in the month of June, as I was sitting with me glass and spoon, a small bird sat on an ivy bunch, and the song he sang was the jug of punch. Do-a-loo-a-loo, do-a-loo-a-loo. Tooraloo-rally. A small bird sat on an ivy bunch, and the song he sang was the jug of punch. If I were sick and very bad, and was not able to go or stand, I would not think it all amiss to pledge my shoes for a jug of punch. Tooraloo-raloo, tooraloo-rally, tooraloo-raloo, tooraloo-rally. A small bird sat on an ivy bunch, and the song he sang was the jug of punch. The doctor fails with all his art to cure an impression upon my heart. But if life was gone within an inch, what would bring it back but a jug of punch? Tooraloo-raloo, tooraloo-rally, tooraloo-raloo, tooraloo-rally. A small bird sat on an ivy bunch, and the song he sang was the jug of punch. And when I'm dead and in my grave, no costly tombstone will I have. Just lay me down in my native heath, with a jug of punch at my head and feet. Tooraloo-raloo, tooraloo-rally, tooraloo-raloo, tooraloo-rally. A small bird sat on an ivy bunch, and the song he sang was the jug of punch. Finally, we will sing the song one more time together at normal speed, and we will be starting after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One pleasant evening in the month of June, as I was sitting with me glass and spoon, a small bird sat on an ivy bunch, and the song he sang was the jug of punch. Tooraloo-raloo, tooraloo-rally, tooraloo-raloo, tooraloo-rally. A small bird sat on an ivy bunch, and the song he sang was the jug of punch. What more diversion can a man desire than to sit him down by a snug turf fire? Upon the table a pretty wench, and on the table a jug of punch. Tooraloo-raloo, tooraloo-rally, tooraloo-raloo, tooraloo-rally. A small bird sat on an ivy bunch, and the song he sang was the jug of punch. If I were sick and very bad, and was not able to go or stand, I would not think it all amiss to shoes for a jug of punch. Tooraloo-aloo, tooraloo-alay, tooraloo-aloo, tooraloo-alay. A small bird sat on an ivy bunch, and the song he sang was the jug of punch. The doctor fails with all his art to cure an impression upon my heart. But if life was gone within an inch, what would bring it back but a jug of punch? Tooraloo-aloo, tooraloo-alay, tooraloo-aloo, tooraloo-alay. A small bird sat on an ivy bunch, and the song he sang was the jug of punch. And when I'm dead and in my grave, no costly tune